Welcome aboard to our Insider's Guide to Cruising Like a Pro. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned enthusiast, we've got the secrets you need to make your next voyage unforgettable. Cruising is more popular than ever, offering the unique charm of waking up in a new port each day without the hassle of changing hotels. But as exciting as it sounds, cruising can be daunting. Costs can balloon unexpectedly, and without proper planning, you might miss out on the best experiences. Imagine snagging a cabin on the upper decks for a better view and more value, or scoring a free upgrade just by knowing where to look. These are just a couple of the insider tips that can transform your cruise from ordinary to extraordinary. Planning your excursions in advance is another game changer. By booking ahead, you save money and avoid the disappointment of sold-out adventures. Research the top attractions at each port and secure your spot before you even set sail. Once on board, don't miss out on unique experiences like behind-the-scenes tours or wine tastings. Many ships also offer adult-only areas for some peaceful relaxation. Knowing these options can greatly enhance your onboard journey. And here's a pro tip: consider booking a repositioning cruise. These voyages offer exceptional value as ships move from one region to another. With fewer crowds and extra perks like free Wi-Fi, you'll enjoy a more personalized experience. By following these insider secrets, you'll not only find the best deals and plan incredible excursions, but also maximize every moment on board. Remember, the key to cruising like a pro is being informed and taking charge of your adventure. Thanks for joining us today. Share your own cruising tips or experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our next video for more travel hacks and insider secrets. Bon voyage!